Sa uli na naman tayo. Dalawa yung kinuha natin na sa Prime Day Sale na headphone. From 169 yung isa, naging $49, is $49.99. Tapos itong may isa 199, naging Monster, pareho ang brand. Naging ano na lang siya, $49.99 yung, hindi, $59.99 yung 199. So sa uli ko yung $49.99 kasi yung range ng ano niya, ng kanyang pagka lumalayo ka, hindi masyadong malayo. Just return please.
I'm going to put it on the table. And if you still have your email, you don't have to wait.
Sorry?
You don't have to wait if you still have your email. It's the same
My email?
on your email. Yep.
Oh, but I have to check the email, right?
Well, this is the same tracking
I
as
see.
what you would get on your receipt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I don't need a receipt?
No,
This is what you're saying?
that's what I'm saying. Unless you really want it.
Yeah, I'd rather have it. So I want.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you. Bye bye. Yung mga presyo ng mga Apple dito. $7.99 tong Apple Mini Mac. Ito $13.99. Apple MacBook Air. Mahal na Apple. Mahal din pala ng mga headset dito. Skull Candy, $99. J-Lab, walang Monster. Monster yung kinip natin, yung nabili natin sa Amazon. JVC, Sony. Action 5, Action 4, DJ. Mahal to, 99 lang to. Yung receiver tsaka isa lang. Ito dalawa kasama yung parang 200 something lang bili ko dyan. 8K 360 action cam Insta 360. Magkano nga? $5.99. Ito yung yung may ikot. Nice. 13, $549. GoPro 13, $549. Hero, $279. Mas mura pa rin nata sa Amazon. Ng USB, yung parang lagay sa USB. Tapos mas marami siyang USB. Parang port hub. USB port hub, I guess tawag doon. Yeah. Para mas maraming saksakan ng USB. Ang ganda talaga pagka bago pa no? Tapos mo ng pagsawaan magamit, parang hindi ka na excited. Ganun nata talaga pagka gamit sa una. Ayun, pati nga sa tao rin nata ganun. Yeah, it's human nature, right? Yan, hindi ko na in-unbox pero ito sa Prime Day sale from 199 naging 59.99. Monster Persona. I'll give the link there. Yung isa, dalawa yung inano ko yung Mission Monster din, Mission 200. It was on sale also for regular was 169 I believe, and it was on sale for 49.99. So I returned that one, yung kanina. And kasi yung tinest ko yung range test, yung distance, nawawala. Ito hindi, ito naka pair din siya ngayon. Tinitignan ko kung yung boses is okay, right? So parang may mic na rin kasi siya Kaya I'm gonna see if it's better. So, but it's in white. The black one was was a little bit more, I think, or it was not on sale. And I don't know if it's available in black kasi parang hindi ko rin nakita. Yung Mission 200 may available in white and black, but parang yung pag-pairing niya nagbe-break up pagka yung uh, I went from nilagay ko yung phone sa living room tapos yung taong garahe. Eto hindi siya nag-break up, pero yung isa nag-break up. Tapos yung sa calling test, phone to phone, cellphone to cellphone, hindi siya nag-feedback. Ito, no? Yung ibang dati kong headphone na micro USB pa yung pang charge, nag-feedback. And hindi naman nag-feedback yung binalik ko yung Mission 200. But yeah, mas okay ito. But the only thing here is it doesn't have a 3.5 audio jack. Hindi kagaya nung binalik ko may audio jack para pag kami walang kasi ibang laptop wala pang Bluetooth, so you can put the audio jack or headphone jack. At saka yeah, yun. It's got 5.4 Bluetooth technology, so I guess it's a better, or I don't know kung ano na yung pinaka-latest, but nabutan ko yung 5.0. I think may 5.2 but this is 5.4. Yan. Okay, in-start ko to kagabi, kahapon pala. Natin mag-start siya. Mag-connect. Ayan. Daming na dito. Ito yung ginagawa kong pang ano dati, service eh. Ayun. Ganda pa makina nito eh. Mazda 3 ang makina nito eh. Matibay. Japanese. Ayan. Tapos yung ano niya, okay na. I-warm up natin para ma-charge yung phone yung battery. Ito namang isa yung truck. Ayan no, dati oh. Nilagyan ko to eh dahil talagang ganyan na eh. Yung medyo yung Canadian na dati nga rin ito medyo bata pa pero malaki siya. Ang one click ko. So parang hindi na gumagana yung ano eh, yung AC. Ito malamig yung AC nito eh. Yes. Yung difference pala eh walang parking sensor to pagka nagba-back in ka. Ayan, ito walang parking sensor. Ito may sensor dito. Wala rin eh. Wala rin sensor. Touring meron. So ayan oh, napaka boring sa North BC. I know, sabihin nyo ikaw lang naman ang nagpapaboring sa buhay mo eh. So yan, nadaanan ko na yung mga happenings na yan sa barkadahan. But pansin ko in return may kanya-kanyang adhikain at priorities ang bawat isa, right? So hindi lahat concentrated sa barkadahan. Sa mga bata pa siguro yan, mga 25 below, medyo ayan ang kasaganahan ng mga barkadahan eh. So once I guess you turn 25 pagka medyo lalo na mga babae, mga gusto na magkaanak, I guess before 30, or not lahat naman, yung mga may ano lang mas okay sa katawan nila pagka below 30 ang pagbubuntis. Not saying na you have to do that, but it's just human nature, right? Yun, payo ko sa mga young generation is invest, and just, inflation is eating up your money, so you gotta fight inflation by investing in an asset that will keep up with the inflation, like a house. A car is certainly a depreciating value, right? It gives you joy sa pagkabago yung car, but in the end, pag ano mo sa parking lot, it depreciates. Pero yung mga like resale value ng Japanese Honda, Toyotas, they keep their value, and resale value is better than other brands. So I suggest you go look into those Subaru, mga ganyan. Yung mga resale value is going up, but not all of them, right? In certain models also. Yun, so hanggang dito na lang muna ulit, at don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga videos. Salamat sa panonood.
Yeah, boy.
Yan. Ang problema rin pala dito sa North BC pagka summertime, ang daming lamok. Lalo na kasi malapit kami sa slough. Slough ba yan? Slough? O slough? Slough. S-L-O-U-G-H. Daming lamok. Yan. May pasok sa SME ngayon from 6:30 o 6:30 na pala, so maaga siya, 7 to 7, 6:30 to 6:30 yata, parang gano'n, 6:45 to 6:45. Yan, so daming lamok.